Most people don't know how easy it is to actually release a song, and it doesn't really cost too much money. If you are been going through our series, you're basically at the point where you have songs now and you're ready to release them. How do you put them on streaming platforms? So we're going to go into today. If you're new here, we're going to show you how you could take your song file and put it out through DistroKid. I am partnered with them, so if you want to check them out, link down below. Get you signed up, be able to release music basically the same day. Although when you first submit a song for a new artist, it does take longer. But as you start to have releases, they come out quicker and quicker because all your data is in the database. So we're going to go over the steps I just did to release Nox Creed's new single. I should have recorded it, and for some reason I didn't start it. And I was like, wait a minute, I need to... This literally is the next video. So we're going to go through the same steps as I did for Carry the Fire. And it all started with picking an album cover. And I already had some artist images there, but I needed it to fit in a square. So we came over to Canva, got a 3000 by 3000 pixel square, input the artwork, and then put some text on top to really just tie in the branding and keep it on point and give the listener something to think about where Nox is when he's in this part of the song and this part of his storyline. So again, link for DistroKid down below. Once you create an account, you're going to go to upload music and you get access to all of these right here. So this is pretty cool. You get all the main ones besides Beatport. But if you're just worried about streaming versus actually selling it to other DJs and stuff, this is good enough. You got iTunes, you got all these other companies as well. So you could add Snapchat if you want, or Roblox. And has it been previously released? No. You'll get your artist name. Make sure if this is your first time, it's your actual artist name and spelled correctly. But because I already released, I'm already connected. And I don't have Instagram or Facebook yet, so I don't have to worry about that. The release date was today. Now for the label, you can make up one, whether it's just independent, you make something up, or for me, it started as something I made up, but then it actually turned out to like, well, I got all these projects, might as well put them under an actual label. So now I have Observe Studios. You're going to pick your genre, pick the main one first. So for Nox in particular, it'd be rock and alternative. Then you're going to upload that 3000 by 3000 pixel. Now if we go back here and I hit download, you can see it's 3000, 3000, and we're switching it to JPEG. You're going to go ahead and name your song now, and then answer all these questions. I made it all myself, so no. You're going to upload your file. It's an original. You're going to put your name here, okay? Does it have bad words? It's a radio edit. This has lyrics. It's not an instrumental. Now, if you're following our thing and you're doing AI, it depends on what you do. You could click both of these, and that's fully AI. For me, I write the lyrics. And for this song in particular, it was all the music was from AI. And it's an AI persona, not a human artist or group. Apple Music's a little weird. For this one, I'm going to do singing and vocals, and you'll put Nox Creed. And then for me, because I'm the producer of the project and I mix and master and all that stuff, you'll put your name in the producer section, basically the same name you filled out here. And that's it. Don't worry about any of this. We're just getting our music out to streaming platforms. And make sure you go through these so you understand everything that you're agreeing to. And once you have your image, song title, and the song uploaded, you'll see all the preview details here. You'll hit continue. It'll ask if you want to pay for mastering or keep the original file. If you keep the original file, no extra charge, or you could pay for the mastering. Then you're going to hit continue, and then it's off to the streaming platforms, but you'll see that it's pending, and then it'll turn green once it's been accepted, processed, and shipped out to the streaming platforms. There's a lot more stuff you could do here, but we'll go into it in a different video. So if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, watch my other videos, walk you from the start to ending of music project idea, to making the art, to making the music, to making the release come to live, and everything in between. And we're gonna keep going with this series. We've got a couple more episodes. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.